Ciao, ciao.
Welcome to Anchors Away Sailing.
If you haven't already, please make sure you subscribe and hit that notification bell so you'll know when the next video is ready.
Okay, I was just saying, all the peeps, we're here at the boat. So
We are here.
yeah, Mike's.
What did we walk into?
Well, you'll notice we have the cover off. We were going to air it out a little bit. You know, when you get to the boat, it's just warm. Let some air flow through. Then we got a little hot, so we were going to turn on the air. Just that little switch right down there.
It turns on.
Can you guys guess what happened? You follow our YouTube. You see what normally happens to us. We flipped it.
It turned on,
It didn't pee.
but the motor in there is not turning on. It's not kicking the AC unit on. So it's kicking the fan on,
But that motor's not coming on.
but nothing else other than just the fan here is kicking on.
Yes. So Mike was taking a look at the wires for the switch, thinking maybe the switch is bad. And the wires all kind of look like that.
So this one looks a little
They're
burnt.
a little burnt.
And we had a fire on it before.
Yeah.
But
And I can't see, but hopefully you can see the rest of those wires. So we're thinking that we have to. That's right. We had fire with us.
yes, yes, we did have fire. So we're thinking that maybe it's just these wires are just fried to the point of they're not working. So I guess I'm going to make some new wires and see if I can get the air to work. It's
Always something on the boat.
It's a little warm.
Yes.
Anyway, hope your day is going great. Anyway, hope your day is going great, and
We'll keep you
we'll
up
let
to
you
date.
know what the outcome is.
We interrupt this week's episode for a special announcement. Over to you, Mike.
Thank you, Juanita. How would you like to have a special edition Anchors Away Sailing hat? Or Anchors Away Sailing hat? If you'd like one, go to our Patreon page, Patreon/Anchors Away Sailing, and join our Patreon page, and you could have one of these hats, or two, or maybe you don't want a hat. Maybe you would rather have a special edition, limited edition Anchors Away Sailing t-shirt while they last. Have different colors, different sizes. They're limited edition. Get yours today by going again to Patreon/Anchors Away Sailing. And we may be seeing you out on the water with one of these or with one of these. Until next time.
Thank you, Mike. Now back to our regularly scheduled episode. Heidi ho, neighbors.
Are you hiding behind the camera?
I'm hiding behind the camera.
Okay.
Because I've been sweating and I leave. It's still off, as you can see. Just giving an update. Mike's got the computer out. You may have an idea. We've been fiddling with it. Well, let me rephrase that. Mike's been fiddling with it for about 3 hours. But he did change some wires. We're not sure what the problem is yet still. But give you an update. Say hi.
It's still not working.
At least you're smiling when you say it.
I replaced a couple of wires. This one was really burnt. And this one was really burnt. So was this one. I replaced those. And it still won't work. The fan comes on, but the unit isn't. The unit doesn't kick on, so that the pump doesn't turn on, so we don't get cold air. But the fan works, so the switch is working, so it seems like it's getting power there. It has a new relay capacitor and all that stuff. We replaced that already before. It won't work. Anyway, if you know what possibly it could be, if you know what it could possibly be, please comment below. Please give me a hint. That would extremely help. Anyway, till then, it's awful warm.
Oh, look what we just put in. Our 2 pieces. Don't they look good?
Looks really good. You can tell a difference
You really
between
can.
the old and the new.
I like the new.
This does not look as good as that, I don't think.
Except what we just did looks like wood. That doesn't. That does.
Yeah,
they
it
look
looks
really
good.
good.
So now we'll pull these next pieces up
Yep.
and
Take them home with us.
take them home and
Get to use that hot gun thing, which is awesome.
do the next section.
Yeah. That looks good, Mike. You did good.
Project done.
Yay.
Unbelievable. We finished the project.
Yep.
Kind of.
Kind of.
What do you want to say?
Good morning.
Morning. Good day.
Good day.
Good day.
Good day.
See what she's doing. See what Juanita's doing?
Sitting outside.
Me, on the other hand, has to work. I have all this projects that's got to get done. Starting with, I got to crawl back in the garage. Back in there, which, if you can see, is full. Because I got to get to the diesel tank to replace the fuel sending unit. I got to do that. I got stuff to do.
Don't have too much, just the boot and the fuel.
The boot, the air conditioner doesn't work.
I've given up on the air conditioner.
But the floor pieces that I did look great.
Yeah, they look great. that looked awesome.
One step at a time. Anyway, so probably gonna swallow down some breakfast.
What you making? I'm on vacation.
She said she's on vacation. Anyway,
Oh, that breeze feels wonderful.
looks like I'm drinking a Monster and get going. Hope your day is awesome.
Yes. Cheers. Hi, peoples. I forgot to turn on the record button. Yes, our boat looks like crapola. This is what happens when you do projects. So, moment of truth. Michael finished the gas thingy-mabobber. So, I want to say so. Now we're gonna see if it will work. We've got it all done up and
You ready?
I'm afraid. I can't see, so I'm hoping I'm putting it. Oh my god!
Finally a project that worked and fixed.
Oh my gosh. We got lots of fuel left.
Yes, we do.
Oh well. Awesome. Yay!
It works. About time she works on a project. What are you doing, Juanita?
I'm cleaning the grooves of the... Trying to clean the grooves of the
Port light window,
yes. So that way we can put the new gasket on.
and hopefully it will.
This is what the old gasket looks like.
Yeah, this is old gasket,
It's black.
and
Instructions say this thing's got to be clean. And it's dirty.
it doesn't seal anymore, and so plus all the duct tape and diapers.
Yep. Catches the water.
Yes, it does. The new one. Do you have the new one?
Nope, it's in there.
Oh, you've already taken one out, didn't you?
No, I didn't.
Oh, you haven't taken them out?
No.
No. So this is the new one. All brand new and pretty. Oh, we'll see how that one goes.
Yeah.
Yeah. More projects. We're getting there. It's coming along.
Turn this over to
Better day today than yesterday. Fuel gauge works.
take down the diaper.
Yeah, take it down. We'll let you know how it turns out.
Ready ho, neighbors. We're taking a picture of the sunset.
She's cheating.
And I told Mike it'd be much prettier without the round hotel. So I cut the round hotel out of my picture. Looks much better. I cheated. It worked.
We're watching the sunset.
They are. Beautiful sunset.
Yeah.
Mike's just got to figure out how we can go sailing so we can go sail and watch the sunset. We're just not comfortable docking in the dark. It's much darker on the dock than we think. We realized that the one time, remember?
Notice I'm not saying anything. What if this isn't very good docking?
Yes, you are. You're good.
Not particularly. We docked in the dark
We did.
and got back. Obviously.
Yeah, obviously, yes.
A beautiful evening.
So the bigger boats are gone. What's the one?
I don't know. Yeah, they're.
Child, or that's pretty bad. I can't remember what the name of it is now.
Couldn't tell you what. Most of them are.
Those some of the bigger ones.
Yeah.
You would think with the little fishies here that you would see the dolphins.
Yeah, our bigger fishies. We'll jump in and see if there's any bigger fishies out there.
Yeah, no.
No? I put my feet in the water yesterday. And then a jellyfish swam by. What a gorgeous evening. Look at all those colors.
Yeah, the colors are fantastic.
Aren't they?
The clouds just look different. I don't know.
Yeah,
Gorgeous.
it really is.
You got powder blue, then a deep blue, and then the pinks and the peach color involved. Oh no, that's pretty.
And the GoPro just isn't going to do it justice, as
Not at all.
beautiful as it is.
Nope.
But it is gorgeous. Thought we'd share.